Stop paying for Photoshop. Stop paying for Midjourney. And for the love of everything, stop paying designers $50 for a single social media graphic. What if you could use Google's latest AI tech to turn a simple sentence into a professional, sellable image in under 10 seconds? I am talking about high-end mockups, transparent stock photos, and even complex edits like removing people from your background by just asking the AI to do it. Today, I am reviewing NanoCanvas AI. This is a brand new cloud-based tool powered by Google's NanoBanana 2 engine that is literally putting traditional design tools out of business. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to turn this into a daily income stream. Here's the bottom line. NanoCanvas AI is the fastest, most beginner-friendly image generator I have seen this year. It's perfect for affiliate marketers, local agency owners, or anyone who needs high-quality graphics without the steep learning curve of Photoshop. At a one-time price of around $14, it is an absolute steal for the commercial license alone. NanoCanvas AI is a 100% cloud-based platform. It uses real artificial intelligence, not templates, to generate unique images from scratch. Whether you need a 3D Pixar-style character, a professional real estate mockup, or a clean stock photo for a blog post, you just type it in and the AI builds it. This is specifically for people who have zero design skills but want to tap into the $5 billion design market. It even handles in-painting, which means you can upload a photo and tell the AI to change your shirt color or swap the background, and it does it seamlessly.
First, let's go through the main thing about NanoCanvas AI, which is the NanoBanana chat image generator. And we're just going to go with NanoBanana here, and I'm just going to give it a prompt. Click on send, then NanoBanana through NanoCanvas AI is going to pick that up. It's going to create a crisp, really nice image for us, and then in the same conversation, we're going to be able to chat with it and ask for modifications. Let's ask it to make the product red, and it's going to pick up on all of the conversations that you have, and it's going to improve the image with every prompt to make sure that it's something that you are looking for and matches your desires. You can even add your own images and have NanoCanvas AI edit those. You can tell NanoBanana your style, your brand voice, your brand colors, whatever you want to generate the best images for you. We have unlimited conversations inside NanoCanvas AI that you can create and unlimited images. Now, NanoCanvas AI comes in strong with a bunch of other AIs, over 100 that you can use, including a video generator using DALL-E. NanoCanvas AI is extremely simple to use, and after your purchase you get your login details. You'll be able to log into the dashboard here. You'll have access to 24/7 support, and you'll have access to 24/7 training materials to help get you started with NanoCanvas AI. Now, all of these AIs are trained to help you succeed, and with over 30 days money-back guarantee, NanoCanvas AI is a complete no-brainer. Buy it, check it out, we hope you like it. And I, Justin Opey, hope to see you soon.
When you log into the NanoCanvas AI dashboard, you'll see a very clean interface. There's nothing to install. First, you have the text-to-image generator. You just type a prompt like a futuristic laptop sitting on a marble desk with cinematic lighting, hit generate, and in seconds you have 4 unique variations. Next, look at the image editor. This is where it gets crazy. You can upload an existing photo and use the object removal tool. Just highlight an annoying tourist in your vacation photo, tell the AI to remove them, and it fills in the background perfectly. You can also do uncropping. If you have a portrait photo but need it to be a wide landscape for a YouTube thumbnail, the AI will actually imagine and draw what should be on the left and right sides of the original image. It's truly mind-blowing tech.
Have you ever taken a photo that you simply loved, except for maybe some annoying detail in the background? It could be another person blocking out your perfect Eiffel Tower selfie. It could be some clouds ruining your dream sunset, or even a Hertz rental sticker on your brand new Lambo. You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, you've basically been stuck with two options. One, pay someone to fix it via Photoshop or spend hours learning it. Two, suck it up and live with it. Well, option number one sure sounds good, but in reality, it's rarely worth the money, time, and effort, and life's too short to settle for option number two. Lucky for you, starting today, there's another, better, faster, cheaper option. It's called NanoCanvas AI, powered by Google's NanoBanana. The name is silly, but the tech, mind-blowing. It uses the same tech behind ChatGPT-5, DALL-E, Midjourney, and more to create custom graphics, images, and digital avatars out of text prompts you insert into the software. This is real AI at work, no templates involved. NanoCanvas AI creates 100% commercial and royalty-free graphics and images that don't exist anywhere else. So you could use it for yourself or sell to clients and businesses. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into the cloud-based software. Step 2, insert the written text prompt and feed it to our AI generator. Step 3, watch it turn your prompt into an image, graphic, or digital avatar. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There's no restrictions, and commercial license is included, which means you can sell your creations. Use it to create mock-ups for businesses in real estate, marketing, industry, heck, even t-shirt selling. Use it to create royalty-free stock images in any niche and sell them. Use it for graphics in your business or sell graphics on sites like Flippa. Use it to turn any idea from words to reality in under 45 seconds. You write directly to this AI made by Google. You simply tell it what you want. NanoBanana, delete the other tourists, add a sun instead of clouds, remove my Hertz rental sticker, and so on. And it simply does it. No editing, no learning, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, loads from your phone, and feels like the future. What if you could cash in on all the market frenzy and buzz surrounding images, but with zero risk for you? With NanoCanvas AI, you now can. It will allow you to literally create images out of thin air. Or, more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good, thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. Best part? You now can too. Stop buying stock images and paying ridiculous fees only to never find exactly what you want. Stop paying designers for graphics they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Illustrator. Actually, you can go ahead and delete any graphics apps. NanoCanvas AI renders them obsolete. You could become the next travel influencer. Today you're in Paris, tomorrow in London, and so on, starting from just one image taken in your backyard. Dominate the food and cooking trends with tens of recipes each day, all supported by some very appealing visuals that were once a sad bowl of pasta. Promote your hair salon by showing the latest hairstyles as seen on yourself. No need for models. The possibilities are truly limitless, whether it's for yourself or your business. Just type what you want and NanoCanvas AI creates the perfect image, no matter how crazy your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting designers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You will be amazed. I know I was. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out. I already got my copy. You should too. It's available at a massive discount for opening day only. Act now and secure your spot for NanoCanvas AI.
Now, the front-end offer is great, but there are a few upgrades you should know about to maximize your results. The front end starts at just $11 to $14. This gives you the core generator and the commercial license. OTO1 is the Pro version for $37. This removes all the limits. If you plan on running an agency or creating hundreds of images a day, you need this. OTO2 is the Enterprise Edition for $27. This adds more advanced marketing features. OTO3 is the Done For You package for $37, where they set up the system for you. OTO4 is the reseller license for $37. This lets you sell NanoCanvas AI as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. And finally, OTO6 is the white label for $97. This is the big one. You can literally rebrand the entire software with your own logo and name and start your own AI software company. If you pick up NanoCanvas AI through the link in the description of this video, I've put together a massive exclusive bonus bundle to help you make money with this tool immediately. Number 1 is Client Extractor. This tool finds local businesses that need design work so you can sell them your AI creations. Number 2 is Pin Marketer. This automates your Pinterest traffic, which is perfect for showing off your AI images and getting clicks. Number 3 is the Lead Book Generator. This helps you turn your image viewers into a high-quality email list. Number 4 is Clickable Images Bot. This lets you post images on social media that act as direct links to your affiliate offers. Number 5 is the Wiki Video Focus plugin. This keeps your review videos engaged as people scroll. Number 6 is the 100 ready-made niche blogs. You get 100 sites that need graphics, which you can now create for free. Number 7 is the Affiliate Sales Engine. This helps you build banners for any offer using your new AI tool. Number 8 is the Social Media Viral Content Builder. This forces people to share your AI art before they can access your content. Number 9 is the Amazon Store Builder. Use this to create a store and use NanoCanvas to make custom product ads. Number 10 is the 10K ClickFunnels case study. This shows you exactly how to scale an affiliate business to $10,000 using these types of tools. All of these bonuses are waiting for you inside the JV Zoo or WarriorPlus purchase area as soon as you buy. NanoCanvas AI is a game changer for anyone tired of monthly subscriptions and complicated tools. It's fast, it's cheap, and the quality is top tier. But fair warning, the one-time low price is part of a launch special. The price increases every few hours, and my exclusive bonus stock is only available for the first 25 people who grab it through my link. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the page. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest tech and software reviews. To claim your bonuses, just click the link in the description, secure your copy of NanoCanvas AI, and you'll find the bonus download link right under your purchase receipt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.